When it comes to enabling social change, training frontline workers is the most important task and also the greatest challenge. Training costs are very high, scheduling is a nightmare. It interrupts productive work time. Due to information overload, employees don't retain much, and you can't measure outcomes.
When you train the frontline workers in a classroom, they may not remember half the messages once they go out of the classroom, and that affects the quality of training that the clients in the end receive.
We at Grameen Foundation India understand how to make field level change happen. We have created a simple, cost-effective and field-tested solution that is nothing short of a leap. G-Leap offers the frontline workers training in business processes, products and services, and soft skills. The mobile-based Grameen Learning app reduces costs by cutting down manual sessions, increases engagement by giving staff more freedom, reduces downtime by letting you send updates instantly, and it lets you measure results.
जी-लीप से हमें कहीं जाने ट्रेनिंग लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, उसे पढ़ के हम खुद समझ सकते हैं कि हमें बैंक में क्या क्या चीज़ हो रही है. हम ट्रेनिंग भी ले लेते हैं, उसमें अपना एग्ज़ाम भी दे देते हैं, दोनों मतलब अपना कोर्स उसमें पूरा कर लिया मोबाइल में.
Giving them an application in their hand that they can refer to as many times when they need and whenever they need has really improved the consistency and quality of messages delivered to the end clients. It has also helped us track the progress made by the frontline workers in terms of how many modules they have learned, which are the modules on which they are finding it particularly difficult to understand, and that helps us kind of refocus our trainings to make it more effective.
So if you want to create effective and efficient impact on the field, G-Leap is what your project needs.